Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Botim deleted messages in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Botim application on your phone. Now over here, tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you here inside the settings of your account. So over here inside the settings, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of calls and chats. Now inside the calls and chats, you will see the option of chat download or the auto download media. So you just have to tap on it and then you just have to select the option of photos and videos. Now from here, you just have to take the backup of all of your chats. And once you have done that, whenever you try to sign in into a new phone using the same number, you will be shown the option of backing up the data or restore the chat option. So you just have to select that particular option, and in whichever device you have taken the backup, like whether you have taken the backup in the Google Drive, iCloud or local device storage, you just have to select that option and follow further on-screen instructions. Now sometimes chats are archived instead of permanently deleted. So you need to simply check the archived chats section before attempting the full recovery step. Now if Botim itself doesn't restore the messages for you, you can also check whether your phone has a full system backup from before the chats were deleted. Now restoring the older device backup can sometimes recover the missing Botim data. If the messages are permanently deleted and no backup exists, recovery may not be possible in this case. So Botim does not currently provide an official recycle bin or deleted messages recovery saver for permanently erased chats. So that's how you can do it. And these are the limitations. Thank you.